The shape of a plot is rectangular at the middle and semicircular at the ends, as in figure. Semicircular sides are kept for the garden and rectangular area has been kept for the house. Find the perimeter and the area of the plot. Given is length of the plot is 30 meters and breadth is 8 meters. So this is the plot. These are the semicircular ends. This is the rectangular area which has been kept for the house, and this area is for garden. So the radius of this semicircle is 4 meter since the diameter is 8 meter. So length of rectangle will be 30 meters. Total is 30 meter minus 4 plus 4 minus 8 meters. And the radius of semicircle is 4 centimeters, 4 meters. Solution will be the length of rectangle is 30 minus 4 plus 4, which is equal to 30 minus 8, 22 meters. Breadth of rectangle is given, it is 8 meter, and area will be equal to L into B. It is 22 into 8 meters, which is 176 meters square. Radius of semicircle is 4 meters. Two semicircles of same radius will be equal to one circle. Two semicircles of same radius will be equal to one circle. Hence, perimeter of two semicircles will be equal to perimeter of one circle. So the circumference of two circular ends will be 2 pi r. It is 22/7 into 2 and 4 is the radius. 2 pi r, which is equal to 25.14. When we calculate this, the answer is 25.14. This is the circumference of two semicircles. Now the area of the circle is equal to pi r square, that is pi r into r, r square r into r. When we calculate it, it becomes 50.28. Hence the perimeter of the garden will be equal to 22 plus 22 plus the perimeter of circular ends. Since the length of the rectangle is 22 plus 22 and perimeter of two circular ends, which we have calculated, it is 25.14. 22 plus 22 plus 25.14 is equal to 69.14. And area of the garden will be equal to area of the rectangle plus area of the circle, which is made up of two semicircles. It is 176 plus 50.28, that is equal to 226.28. So this is the final answer. Area of garden is 226.28. This is our answer.